Please state your name and tell us where you're from.
Yeah, I'm Jack Bice. I'm from Elwood City, Pennsylvania. Originally from Grove City, Pennsylvania.
Excellent. So you're about, what, an hour away?
Yep, about an hour.
Was it worth the trip?
For sure, definitely worth the trip.
Fantastic. So why did you come to the training? What are your plans?
Yeah, so I've been detailing ever since high school. I worked in a Ford dealership, and lately I've been getting more into it, and to the point where I want to take it on at a larger scale. So I want to speed up my process, learn some things, and some tips and tricks. And
Do you think you learned any tips and tricks this weekend?
definitely, for sure,
Yeah.
yes.
So overall, you had the exterior training, the ceramic coating training on Saturday with paint correction. Friday you had the business class, and of course today is the interior training, and we also did headlight restoration. Just overall, what do you think?
I think there's some. It took out some of my fears. Maybe,
Great.
for instance, headlights. Chris was talking about it's scary taking sandpaper to a vehicle
Yeah.
for the first time, but being confident and knowing, got to trust the process helps a lot with that. And then I guess being able to sell yourself better, feel more confident in pricing and how to charge and how to talk to
Based on your
potential
time,
customers.
sure.
Yep,
Sure. So overall, what would you give the training on a scale of 1 to 5?
I'd give it a 5.
5 star.
Yes.
All right, we appreciate it. Well, Jack, you are now Detail Czar certified, brother. Thank you so much.
Good job.
You're a great student.